So we've got the following function here, ax ln x plus b, and we're told that when x is equal to 1, it is half ln 3. So we can now substitute that. So when f is 1, we substitute all the x's with 1 and ln, and we substitute x1 plus b. So what we're really left with is a very nice, simple a ln 1 plus b. Now, the next part of this is we're told also that the derivative of it at 0, when x is equal to 0, is half ln 2. Well, let's just find out what the derivative is first of all. So the derivative of that function, we need to do a derivative. Oh, that is a product rule. So we need to use a product rule. Okay, where u is ax and the derivative of u is a and v is ln x plus b, and the derivative of that is 1 over x plus b times 1. Okay, so to do that we use our u dash v plus uv dash. Substituting that is a ln x plus b plus u being ax times 1 over x plus b. So we're being told that we need to find this derivative at 0 here. So we're going to change that to 0. And I'm going to say, therefore, f at 0 is equal to, a ln 0 plus b and plus a times 0, over 0 plus b. All that really saying is that when you come and simplify all that, this derivative, and I should have wrote dash there and dash there, is a ln b, and that's it, because the rest of it is 0. So we get all this. So the function at 1, because I made this here, is equal to a half ln 3. And the derivative function, which we have just worked out over here, is equal to a half ln 2, because that's what we're given. Let me rewrite those two equations. So the equations that we have is a ln 1 plus b is equal to a half ln 3. That's one equation, number 1. And the other equation that we have is a ln b, which is equal to a half ln 2. Now, what we want to do is find the a's and the b's. There's the a, and there's the b in here. And there's the a, and there's the b in here. Now, just looking at this particular equation, especially in the number 2, okay, the one for number 2, have a good look at that one and see, and I'm hoping that you might be able to realize that A, okay, that A is equivalent to a half, and the B is equivalent to 2, okay, because they're equivalent ratios. So this is a really easy one to work out. So what I'm trying to tell you is that A can be equated to be a half. So A is equal to a half. And I can also equate B with 2. So here I could say, well, B is equal to 2. And you think, whoa, that is so easy. Really, no work to be done. I've already found A and I've already found B. And that's what it is. If I went to the previous equation, where I'm looking at this one here, this one there, A, okay, is also can be equated to a half, whereas 1 plus B, which would be 1 plus 2, is equated with 3. So it really does work, doesn't it? My answer therefore is A is equal to a half and B is equal to 2.